Hello everybody, Lance from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video, quick unboxing and checking out this product. This particular product is a vintage product, so just want to do a quick unboxing, check it out in hand. And yeah, we'll just go into a little bit of detail on the item and see how it is. Okay, cool. Yep, looks good in hand. As you can see, it is the New York Knicks Sports Specialties script logo hat, double. Got the logo on the side. Wanted to pretty much just check it out in hand. As you can see, it has a bit of worn. A bit of the sweat stains, but all in all, definitely legit, authentic Sports Specialties script logo hat. We have the brim over here, and yeah, I mean, overall, definitely, I would give it a, yeah, for quality wise, I would say maybe a 6 out of 10, just because of the rarity of the hat. And it's still wearable. Snaps are still good, no complaints over there. And yeah, just wanted to do a quick video checking it out in hand. Definitely will be up for sale, this particular hat, on the website and on and on the internet, on the different web sites like Depop and eBay. So definitely go check it out. If you're on the hunt for this particular style, color, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the vintage Sports Specialties, especially the script logo vintage hats. So yeah, that's all I really have for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.